Hi, today we're going to talk about how you can use your Desmos calculator to solve a quadratic equation for you. So we've talked about before how we could solve quadratic equations that are set equal to 0 by looking at x-intercepts. Those are the roots, the zeros, or the x-intercepts of this function. And today we're going to talk about when that function doesn't look like we're looking for those zeros. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this side of the equation and plug it in for one of the graphs, and the second side of our equation on the other side of the equals in for another graph. And where they intersect, that's where we're going to see the solutions. So I'm going to go to my Desmos calculator, and I am going to graph that first side of that equation, squared minus 3. There's that side of the equation, x squared minus 3. That gives me a parabolic shape. Now the other side of this equation I'm going to put in another graph. So I'm going to go down to my 2 slot here, and I'm going to plug in the other side of the equation, which is 2x. And so I don't have to manipulate the equation at all, but what you're going to see here is the intersection points, and those are going to give us the x values where those equations are equal. So I'm going to look for the intersection points where the red hits the blue, and I've got one here and then one up here. And again, I can change the settings if I want to, so that I can see those more clearly. Sometimes they're not going to intersect at all, and that means there are no solutions. Sometimes they'll intersect in 2 places and maybe even 1 place. So again, you're going to type in one side of the equation into one of your graphs and the other side into the other. And that will give you the x values 3 and -1 that are the solutions for this equation. I hope that helped.